Alright, this is my progress from yesterday. I got the walls clean, the door clean, wall, obviously. It would just be weird if I was just quiet though. It'd be a quiet video. You wouldn't like it very much. So I'm cleaning this house, or this kitchen, and then the boys are getting the living room all messy for me to clean up. I'm just about kind of done with the kitchen though, so that's like really cool. I gotta wash the windows yet. The blinds are clean. I got the fridge part cleaned out. It was a bitch to get all those things back in though. And it's clean down here. Oh my gosh. I took out all of the drawers except for the very bottom one because it wouldn't come out. Because I tried moving the refrigerator out, but I couldn't. And that is my progress for right now. I haven't cleaned the outside of it yet. Choo-choo! Now I gotta do the oven and the microwave. And I gotta wash off the cabinets because they're pretty dirty. As you can see, and the stove is really dirty. Cabinets. Yuck. Alright, I just want to show you what I've been using. This is my sponge thing that I've been using. It is so nasty. That's what I use to do the floors and some of the fridge. But yeah. Alright. Peace out, dude.